What's up guys, welcome back into the YouTube channel. If you are new, thank you for stopping in. So in today's kind of short video that we're gonna toss together here, we're gonna be changing out the rear diff cover. You guys can finally stop commenting how crusty it is and all that. I finally got it powder coated. We have our airbags, all that bracketry back from powder coating, which won't be going on in this video. It'll probably be this weekend. I gotta toss the front end kind of back together because it's leaving, the truck is leaving to go to my buddy Daniel's for a little surprise, which you guys will find out hopefully this weekend. But yeah, that's kind of the gist of today's video. So let's go ahead and jump on into it.
Japan.
All right guys, so we got the front end put back together. As you can tell, this is kind of a factory setup. I found this grill. I'm tired of the aftermarket BS stuff not fitting. I found this one, it had a little crack in it. I kind of got to fix it yet. The plan is to get this all painted, the new front bumper and some other parts just kind of touched up for paint. But I needed to throw it back together to get it to my buddy Daniel so it's somewhat street legal. We got the new diff cover put on. Let me know what you think of the collar. Like I said, the airbag brackets and all that are going to be the same color. And then, like I said, we're gonna try and get kind of everything painted this next week, because UCC is the following weekend, and I'm hoping we can kind of cruise this thing up there. I probably won't enter it or anything, just kind of be nice to take it up there and show it off a little bit. But anyway, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Remember, learning as I do, doing I love. I'm the GM man. I'll catch you guys in the next one.